And welcome back. So these are the new instructions for the updated tables. So you might have a table that is this size and shape, or you might have one that is this size and shape, but the instructions are the same. You will have the same number of pieces. You'll have 4 legs, obviously, and then the 4 pieces to the support. So the first thing that you want to do is examine everything. I've already done this to check for singeing or anything like that, and go ahead and use the included sandpaper to take care of any singeing that there might be. Okay, so then what you do is, this is the underside of the table. Top side looks fine with no marks. Then you have the underside of the table has marks. Go ahead and grab one of the supports, and it can be a long end or a short end, and we're going to put some glue right along in here and just put it on the edge. And then I want to glue this to the outside, Now mine has a little flaw, yours won't, but I'm just using the flawed one for demonstration purposes. Shouldn't be white, in other words. Okay, so place the other one. I'm going to put the glue on there, and place the other one also to the outside of the line. Now I need to pick this up and look at this to see if it's lined up on the outside of the line. And you want to adjust as is necessary and get any extra glue, like I just put glue on there. Okay, then the next step is to pick up the other 2 little supports, and you're going to glue them also to the outside of the square, the marked square. So you'll have a little notch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust these and pause this. Okay, I made some adjustments for this to be on here a little bit better. Okay, so now what you want to do is pick up the legs, and go ahead and lay your legs out this way. You have a flat top on each one of them, and then you have a notch on the side. So you want 2 of them to have the notches to the inside, going this direction, angled out, and then 2 going the other angle. Okay, it doesn't matter which ones you do, you just turn it over if you like one side better than the other or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take one of these, and what you're going to do is you're going to apply glue to both of these little ends. Okay, so it'll look like this. I'll put some glue here and here. And then these will simply go in here like this, flat top, and the angle goes right like that. So that little notch that you had is what you're using to help you to place these. So they should be angled out like so. And you just put glue on those 2 things. And it's the same process for the square table as well. So that is good to go. So thank you so much for your purchase.